Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video, we're going to prepare my things for my biometrics in our UK visa. Okay guys, so I have my passport. So I show you a bit of my things guys. I have this one. PSA. Ito na yung required guys ngayon ng PSA. Hindi na siya honored yung NSO. So kailangan talaga ngayon may tatak na tayong PSA. Ayan. And then, ito yung certificate ng guys. Ay, yung bank statement. Bank certificate. Nagbayad ako guys ng fee. Yan yung nagbayad ako ng fee ng bank certificate, bank statement, NBI, and everything. Napasa ko na guys. So, I'm going to Manila for my biometrics appearance, my visa, UK visa. So, ready na tayo guys. Prepare tayo ng things natin. So, this is my outfit guys. The day of my biometrics. Ito yung formal attire. Ayan. Ito yung formal attire ng ano natin guys. Isusuot. Bawal tayo daw mag-sleeveless or we need to formal attire guys. Kasi dito tayo sa UK embassy. Ito guys. Sa loob niya. Sleeveless siya. Tapos may formal. Ayan. So, ito yung sa likod niya guys. Kailangan naka-formal. Right. So, I'll bring another things. Clothes. Yes, only one day lang naman guys yung appearance natin. So, we make sure na formal yung outfit natin doon. It's because bawal yung sleeveless. You know what? And meron tayong ito, i-bring ko to guys. So, naka-ready na tayo. Extra naman ko na clothes. So, ito yung things natin dadalhin guys. Right. And then, I have my shoes. Bagong sapatos. Bumili ako to guys na ito. Para sa shoes. And then, meron tayong bagong shoes. For my outfit, bumili ako ng bagong shoes guys. So, ito dadalhin ko rin siya pag travel. Bago din. Bago to lahat. So, skip muna natin ito. And then, after that, pack na tayo ng things natin. I put in my description box guys, ano mga requirements ng aking visa, my UK visa. And then, meron din tayong confirmations from BFS Manila. So, mag-pack things na tayo guys. Alright. So, as usual, this is my favorite bag. Ayan. Ito na naman yung idalhan natin guys. To travel na naman tayo. So, pack na tayo. Let's do it. I show some other requirements for my screen guys, so that you have idea. If say my visa, yan. Nakatakot ako. I feel so nervous. It's my first time. Like pag-after mabilis lang. Pero pag ibang country naman yung pupuntahan nyo guys. So, kailangan kailangan talaga naka-formal attire. Kailangan mo doon mag-fingerprint, and then photos, and then wait mo kung anong ang result nila guys. So after that, dyan mo na malalaman kung ano yung result ng visa mo. So dyan lang, either denied or you know what. Excited na rin. So far. So, yan yung pinaka guys, main nila sa Manila, yung Manila, no? I mean, yung main nila ng, what is that? BFS Application Center. I put it in screen also, guys. So, lahat ng visa andyan, lahat. Nakikita ko kasi lahat ng visa andyan. Lahat. Like, sa Europe, like, hindi lang naman Europe. May US, Australia, Canada, yung mga visa. Kailangan mo dyan ka talaga mag-biometric for personal appearance. Hindi naman kailangan gagawin to online. So, hindi pwede. So, kailangan mo talaga personal appearance. So, ito yung outfit natin. Today na may, tayo guys. What's that? Appearance. Ito yung outfit natin. So, keep ko na siya dito. And ito yung outfit natin. Bag. Kailangan bag. Kailangan maganda yung outfit natin. Confident. And then, mukha tayo doong formal. Hindi yung parang nasa downtown ka lang naka t-shirt or shirt not allowed. May strict talaga sila doon. Bawal yung cellphones. Kailangan naka-off. Kasi pagpasok mo doon ng way guys, talaga, may mga security guard talaga. Parang kayo guys, yung tao, i-checkin lahat ng things mo, bawal doon. Kung ano lang yung pinadala sa iyo, yung 3 things na important, yun lang yung dalhin mo sa loob. And then, bawal na yung magdala-dala ng iba doon. So, ayun. Kailangan natin itong full.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Is this sa proof of relationship na meron din lahat-lahat yung dami veterinary, andyan na rin. So, ito yung dadalhin ko guys. Pero meron pa akong parcel na darating dito. So, kailangan ko yun. That's the one na important guys. I bring ko sa Manila. So, ayan. Ready na tayo. So, kailangan talaga guys ngayon is yung birth certificate is naka-PSA talaga siya. Hindi sila nag-o-honor ngayon ng NSO. So, kailangan talaga yung tatak is PSA. Ayan. PSA. Ito naman is bumayad ako ng sa bank certificate ko guys. Bumayad ako. So, ito na. Itong dadalhin ko. Right? And my passport. And that's it. So, good luck to me. Okay guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.